Welcome everyone in this new live development video about building an auto battle game. In this video we're going to build up a small logic that counts the amount of turns we took. So let's just head over our in-game state, let's create a new variable and let's call that turn count. We're going to make this an integer and we're going to put this in the phase not in the phase, we're going to put this in game and we're going to put game above reference. So turn count, this is going to be rep notify initial only, like this. So this is going to be 0 by default. This is actually just going to be replicated, not rep notified, so we can delete the unrep turn count. So turn count is going to be replicated initial only. And we want to increase that number when we start a new, actually when we generate income, I guess, when we start a new recruit phase. So we're gonna create a new function called start new round, new turn. Generate income, we're gonna put this in here in the phase folder. Generate income, start new turn. We're gonna delete generate income from the go to recruit phase. And in start new turn, we're going to paste our generate income. And in here, we want to say that turn count is going to be increased by 1. So we receive this after, we're calling this after calling that, which is good because else it will always display the turn before the one we are currently in. So we're gonna open up our in-game HUD, which we already add, and we're just gonna move this a little bit more here. We're gonna put this actually in there, and this we're gonna put this in a vertical box because it's starting to pile up a little bit. We want this to be at the top right. This is actually like game information. VBox game info, we're gonna call this, and we want the text to be located on the right. And we want another text which is gonna be text turn count. By default it's gonna say 0. And in our graph, when we actually enter a new phase, we will grab our reference to the game state and we will update, and we will actually build a function update turn count, which we're going to call here when we enter a new phase. And in here we're going to grab the game state, get the turn count, and set the text of our turn count text like this. So if we're just doing this, I guess it should already be working. Turn 1, turn 2. That's fine. We'll just quickly add this to this as well. Turn count 0, we're gonna put this here. Text anim turn count, and this is gonna be in the middle. This is just gonna be italic. Turn 0. And when we update the turn count, we're also gonna update anim turn count here. Oh well, actually we're gonna set the text to build string turn space integer turn 1. Turn 1, combat. Recruit turn 2. Combat turn 2. So maybe we shouldn't have turn being written when we enter the combat phase. So we'll just say set visibility, select, and we're gonna grab the current states. Phase, I mean. Get phase, get current phase. Is this equals to combat? It's gonna be hidden, else it's gonna be collapsed, else it's gonna be self test invisible. Turn 1, combat, turn 2, and we just want the usual shadow here. Oh, we had the shadow. It's just that the screen is really small. Yep. So we only want 2 players now. Let's hit play. Recruit turn 2. Okay, one last thing, we actually want both of these to read the same thing. So this is gonna read turn 0 by default. Yep. So we were in the recruit phase. 63 minutes to go, turn 1. We're pretty happy about this. So we counted the amount of turns. We're fine. It's gonna wrap up that video. Hope you enjoyed it and hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.